Hello my beautiful glam style family. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Araceli and I'm so excited to finally be kicking off with my Easter spring series. And in today's video, I'm bringing you 4 very easy and inexpensive Easter DIYs. So without further ado, here it goes. My Easter spring series, a glam style. So here's the first DIY we're going to be working on, and for this we're going to need 2 of these rabbits that you can find at your local 99-cent store. And I spray painted them pink. And as you can see, I've already done one and we're going to be working on our second one. And for that, I'm going to be using this metallic rhinestone stickers that you can find at your local Dollar Tree. And all I did was I cut it off in strings wide enough to fit the border of my rabbit. Then I went ahead and started sticking it on the rabbit. This rhinestone stickers already come with some sort of glue, but if you want a more secure hold, you can use some hot glue. And as you guys can see, this is extremely easy and super inexpensive. Next, all I did was grab a little pom-pom. I added some hot glue and proceeded to add the pom-pom to the tail of my rabbit. And this is the final result. Moving on to our second DIY. For this one, we're going to be using 2 of these rabbit silhouettes that you can find at your local Hobby Lobby. We are also going to be using Mod Podge, a glitter of your choice, and a little pom-pom. And the first thing we're going to be doing is adding our Mod Podge all around the border of our bunny. To avoid the Mod Podge from getting dry, do 1/2 of the bunny first, add your glitter, and then do the other half. Once you're done adding your glitter, you can take it outside for a faster dry, and then please don't forget to set your glitter. I will be adding a picture of what I use to set my glitter so that you don't have glitter all over the place. And these bunnies were an inspiration of something similar that I saw at HomeGoods. Unfortunately, I didn't take a picture so I could insert it here, but if you go to HomeGoods, Burlington, Marshalls, you probably know what I'm talking about. There are these wood pieces that have glitter all around, and they have them for every season, but I don't necessarily like the wood look, so I decided to make my own. Next, I'm going to be cutting this pom-pom off of this rabbit that comes in a garland from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to be repurposing it. I bought this garland last year and I stored it away, and all the little rabbits got all wrinkled and very ugly, so I decided to repurpose the little tail. Let me know in the comments if that ever happens to you, that you buy something and then you store it away for next year and it just gets ruined. And so as you can see, just with a little bit of hot glue and then just placing the tail on top of it. And as you can see, this DIY was very easy, very simple, but very glamorous. And this is the final result. Moving on to DIY number 3. You can find this rabbit at your local 99-cent store, and as you can see, I'm removing the little bow that it comes with, and I'm just adding this pearl stickers that you've seen me use in previous videos. I am also adding a dot of hot glue and a little pom-pom. If you guys don't have pom-poms, you could also use little cotton balls. And as you can see, just with little minimal touches, we've glamorized this glabbit. Get it? Because glam and rabbit, glabbit. And this is the final result. Moving on to our fourth and final DIY for today's video. For this DIY, we're going to be using 2 of these smaller vases and 2 of these taller vases from the Dollar Tree. We are also going to be using these little rabbits, this gold chains, and this floral foam, also from Dollar Tree. And the first thing I did was I spray painted the rabbits and the floral foam. Once it's dry, it'll look something like this. Now I'm going to be gluing this diamond knob to the middle of my foam. Initially, I was going to be gluing eggs, but then I found these knobs and I just thought it would look so much more glamorous if I did it this way. And here I'm showing you that I'm going to be using some Mod Podge and some gold glitter. Next, I'm going to be adding my Mod Podge all over the top of my floral foam and also the silver part of my diamond knob. Make sure that you're very generous with the Mod Podge because this floral foam has like little holes and it will absorb some of the Mod Podge. Always when you're using glitter, make sure that you put a little paper at the bottom so you can collect all the fallout and it doesn't go to waste. Once it's dry and you've set the glue, you can go ahead and glue your rabbit at the top of the knob with a little bit of hot glue. If you want a permanent hold, you can use Gorilla Glue or E6000. I'm not using that because once Easter's done, I'm going to repurpose all of my vases. Next, all you have to do is add some hot glue all around the rim of the vase and go ahead and cover up your bunny. How cute is this looking, you guys? It looks so fab. Okay. Next, all you're going to want to do is start adding some hot glue all around the vase and start gluing your beads. And while I was doing this, I had another idea that I'm about to show you right now. You can also add one of these heat-proof plates that they have at the Dollar Tree as well and glue it to the top. Add a simple candle or a Bath and Body Works candle and this will look beautiful as well. Okay, moving on with my project, I'm going to be adding some hot glue to the top of my first vase and add the longer vase. As usual, for a stronger hold, you can use E6000 or Gorilla Glue. Next, I'm gonna go in with the hot glue gun and I'm gonna go in between the conjunction of both my vases. So in between, just adding the hot glue and then I'm going to go in with my gold beads. And what this is going to do, this is going to hide the conjunctions of both of my vases, making it look so much more professional. And this is the final result. I hope you guys like this video and recreate some of this extremely easy DIYs. As usual, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're not already part of this fabulous glam style family. My very best wishes and all good vibes to you. Till next one, bye.